Come to the in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool type the Ampere. Right now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application is installing on our phone. Now just tap to open application. Here click yes I agree, we close, and on the left down corner tap here to the OK button. And as can you see right now that our battery temperature is 29.4 degrees. Now it's 29.6. So also we got here the more information about our battery health, the level, and about the Android version, the model of our phone, and more and other information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.